Banana bread. Banana. Banana. What's up, you guys? In today's video, I'll be sharing the side hustles you can do in your PJs. Yes, in your PJs. So it was only right that I shoot this video in my PJs. Right now, a lot of people are looking for work from home jobs. I know it's really overwhelming. So I compiled this list for you, which is going to help you in building your business online or a work from home job. I'm not going to tell you about coupon clippings, filling out surveys. No. These are the jobs that are going to make you money. I wanted to compile a list that doesn't require a lot of investment to begin with. Some of these require no investment at all, and some of these maybe some investment, but it depends upon you, how you want to scale your business. You can create a return on investment on these. There are plenty of side gigs you can do from your home, no matter where you are, what you are doing. Thanks to internet, making money is within your reach and not a never-ending struggle anymore. Select a method that fits within your skill set and time availability and deliver value at the end of the day. Obviously, these require work. There's no such thing as a free lunch in life. No. Initially, it will require your time, but then eventually it creates a snowball effect. It builds upon itself. Are you excited about this video? So hit the like button to tell me you want more such videos from me. Share and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Before we start, the question of the day is, if money wasn't the issue, what would you rather be doing right now? Comment down below. And let's dive right into the video. So number one on my list of side hustles is, drumroll please, YouTube channel. Media consumption in the age of COVID-19 has changed. Coronavirus has changed the way we internet. Stuck at home during the pandemic with movie theaters closed and no restaurants to dine in, people are consuming a lot more content online, be it on YouTube, Netflix, and other social media platforms. In fact, YouTube saw a surge in its subscriber base by 20% in the 45 days of lockdown. People were home, well, we still are, and suddenly everyone's baking banana bread. Well, I won't lie, even I did, and it's delicious. So people are searching for recipes online. Love baking? Start a YouTube channel. There are so many people like me who are always searching for baking recipes online. And what better than getting paid for baking that too at home? It's like you have your cake and eat it too. In fact, recently my fashion designer senior from college, she started baking and delivering mouth-watering muffins right from her home. And she's even conducting workshops online. Isn't that great? I've been baking too during lockdown and it's been therapeutic. And it's not just right now, people are always online. All you need to do is reach them. So what are you good at? Show the world. Makeup lessons, piano lessons, whatever you're good at. There is so much to explore. Number two, start a meal delivery service. With many people afraid to leave their homes due to COVID, delivery services are seeing a strong demand. People are spending more time at home than at restaurants. Many of the top meal prep delivery services are seeing a huge demand right now. People are ordering anything and everything online right now, and you can help them. You can start a delivery service, deliver meals, groceries, medicines, anything, and we are going to get used to this. Remember the world before Zomato, Swiggy entered our lives? No, right? The food delivery apps completely changed the game for us, and we're addicted to ordering everything online and getting everything delivered. And not just food, Amazon, Flipkart, they've all spoiled us. It's all at our fingertips, so make the most of this opportunity. Number three is list part-time on Zomato, Swiggy. You can have your cake and sell it too. So one of my friends is a banker. She straddles a full-time banking job, and in her free time and over the weekends, she dishes up delicious cakes and other goodies to cater to those that have a sweet tooth and fat wallets. I think it's a very good idea, especially if you're a home baker. You can list part-time on these food delivery platforms, and it doesn't require a lot of investment to begin with. Just list on these platforms and deliver mouth-watering food and make money. Virtual assistants are so in demand right now. It's the best decision anyone can make for their business. You can be anywhere in the world. It's a location independent job. You don't have to be in a specific location. So many entrepreneurs are looking for virtual assistants to make their job easier, because you can't do everything by yourself. So many celebrities, influencers are getting their work done by their virtual assistant, be it managing their social media, editing, or even styling. Think about it, you don't have to be present 24/7. It's location independent. You can set your own time. If you don't want to start your own thing and be in front of the camera, you can help companies and influencers create content. Help them with new ideas, repurpose their content, and so much more. You can help them shoot their videos if you don't know how to. There are so many tutorials on YouTube. There are so many amazing people who teach you how to be videographers, photographers, and so much more. Yeah, you can't do these from home, but it's a very good side hustle. If you don't want to do this for influencers, you can film stock photos and videos. So stock photos and videos are basically B-roll that people can add to their videos to add visual stimulus to their videos. I'll show you what B-roll is. So if I'm sitting here talking about my amazing beach vacation in Hawaii, I'll show you the B-roll like these while I'm talking. So you can shoot these wherever you are in the world and upload your work on websites like Shutterstock, etc. And people can pay you for your work when they use your stock photos, and it's a great passive income idea. With new content creators, there would also be a surge in influencer managers. So who is an influencer manager? So basically, influencer manager is someone who helps celebrities, influencers and content creators with creating their content or managing their social media, their channels, getting them brand deals, helping them build their personal brand, and helping them get successful. Influencer managers help influencers market themselves better, target their audience, repurpose their content, edit their content. The pandemic is going to create a huge demand for these people and create huge opportunities. Someone who has a deep knowledge about social media, analytics, relationship building should definitely look into becoming a social media manager. So if you're looking to get into this, it's the right time for you right now. You can build and sell educational courses to your clients. Take your knowledge and put it into a course or a product. You can help people advance their skills and help entrepreneurs market their products better. So here, you don't necessarily have to work one-on-one with your clients. You can have so many clients at the same time. A lot of entrepreneurs like me are always looking for courses that can have a direct impact on our business and make us more money. And you can help us with that. It's a highly profitable and highly scalable business if your product is really good. And not just for entrepreneurs, you can create a course for anybody from anything you're good at. Marketing, photography, the list is endless. What a time to be alive, honestly. If you want to start a small business from home, it's easier now than ever before, and it doesn't require a lot of investment. Do you have a product to sell? Do you make handmade product, clothing, jewelry? Why not sell them online? Why not list them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart? It's such a great time for everyone, honestly. With just one click, you can build your presence online. COVID has revolutionized the fitness industry and how people are now home more than ever before. They're saving the time that was previously spent on traveling to their offices and back home. People are looking for trainers who can help them be fit from the comfort of their homes without having to see them in person. This creates an opportunity for trainers to hold virtual training sessions. People are paying for virtual fitness classes. My friend is running Zumba classes on Zoom because people still need to work out, right? So make the most of it. See how you can get creative with your online training sessions. And again, it's location independent. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You can set your own time. So that's it in today's video. Let me know if these help you and share these with people who need ideas right now. Hit the like button to tell me you want more such videos from me, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. See you in my next video. Number one.